In this video, we'll work with Kaltura. I'll demonstrate how to quickly record webcam videos, as well as how to share them with your class. So I want to add a personal video greeting to my students for the beginning of the semester. I'll go to Lesson 1, and I'll create a new content item and give it a name. Now, I can press the plus button and then select Kaltura Media. Then, select Add New and Webcam Express Capture. This will activate your webcam, and you can press Record to start. I'll do an example. Hello everybody, I'll be your instructor this semester. Look forward to getting to know everybody and seeing how you develop academically over the term. When you're finished, you have the option to record again. I'm happy with my recording, so I'll select Use This. While the video goes through some processing, you can view the options and change any default selections if necessary. When it's complete, select Save and Embed, and you're good to go. Note that students have the same tool available to them in the event you'd like them to make a video recording as part of an assignment.